I guess the momentum trade is very evident in gold prices. But I'm curious about the view on silver. It's not yet at a record. Could it get there soon?
We think so. It certainly lagged gold for the most part, but the last few days it has had a bit of that catch-up play. It's got a lot going for it, right? Fundamentally, it's in a deficit since 2021. And when you think about the fact that U.S. growth is outperforming expectations, we're getting that first sign of Chinese growth kind of coming back with those PMIs. And, silver's that it's a inflation hedge, but it's also a high beta cyclical asset. So it sort of plays two parts. And we do think it can reach, for sure, $30 in the short term.
Nicky, why is it a high beta cyclical asset? What exactly about silver makes it more economically sensitive in that environment?
Well, a large part of silver demand is used in industrial spaces, and it's what is sort of underappreciated is a big part of it is driven by the renewable energy economy. So it's used across obviously 5G, but also electric vehicles, solar panels, and so it really has a bit of that copper-esque to it, and certainly isn't just a precious metal. And we think that is certainly coming back into play.
Okay, so is there a way or a world, Nicky, where we start to take a look at prices for silver and use them as that derivative play on things like renewable energy, on infrastructure spending, that sort of thing? Does it become now then a fundamental analysis as well about whether there are industrial uses that will drive the demand? And is that going to be a huge part of the price picture going forward?
I think that is the key differentiator between whether we're talking about a $25 to $30 asset or a $30 to $35+ asset. If global economic growth can maintain some sort of momentum, silver absolutely can outperform. And I think the narrative is going to be changed to it being a good proxy for the renewable transition, for sure.
Now, if you take a look at the way things are shaping up, you mentioned copper as well earlier on. We did mention copper early on. There's been a surge higher there, but it hasn't been the same for other metals and other steel-related products. Can you take us through why you're seeing some of the divergence that we're seeing in copper prices versus other parts of the market as well?
I mean, I think if you take a step back, each commodity or hard asset will have the individual fundamental story. But at the end of the day, you've got growth sort of thawing in China. You've got a G10 rate cutting cycle occurring when inflation is still not quite down to target. And I think that narrative, that macro narrative, is where you're going to get commodities as a whole sort of pick up. And you're going to have to cherry pick which one has a sort of sexier fundamental story. And those will be the first to move into this sort of this regime change where we're going to be having rate cuts into yet still sticky inflation.
And Nicky, just a few seconds left here before we let you go. What is your favorite play in metals right now?
Still silver. We like gold, but we like silver better.